Hey, welcome to day 29 JavaScript question. Today we will be solving ArrayWrapper. So we need to create a class ArrayWrapper that accepts an array of integers in its constructor. And it should have these two features. When the instance of the classes are added together using the plus operator, the resulting value should be the sum of all the elements in both the arrays. And when the string function is called on the instance, it will return a comma separated string surrounded by the brackets. For example, this. Let's look at the example. So we have two arrays, this, and the add operation is called, we get the output as 10. And another example, we have this array and the string function is called on it, so we get the output a string with comma separated values, and it is also enclosed in the square brackets. This is how our code is going to be executed. First, the object will be created by passing the array, and after that the add operation is called. So here it is not overloading the plus operator as you might think, but it is rather converting the object 1 to a numeric value first, and also converting the object to the numeric value, and after that it is just simply adding those two numeric values. So let's start. Even though we are asked to create a class, but here we are using a function implementation, but doesn't matter. So let's start. So first we need to store this to the member variable. Let's do it. So this dot array equals to nums. So this value of function will be called when the plus operator is used. So it should return a numeric value for the instance or object. So let's create a variable sum. It will be 0, and we need to loop over all the values of, so for let var of this dot array, and we will do sum plus val, and in the end return sum. In this function we need to convert the current array to the string, so we can use string and pass this dot array, but this will not include the square brackets, so we can add those. Let's convert it into a template string, and it is a variables. Let's do this, and we need to add square brackets like this and just return this string. That's it. Let's submit it, and it works. Thanks for watching. Follow for more such content. See ya.